Christina Pawlowski.
Oh my God.
One of them wrote your Saint Joan. You've seen her work. She's got things to tell you about chicken.
I've got lots of things to tell you about chicken, everybody. Thanks, John. So, can I just first say, this show is phenomenal, isn't it? Seriously, there's so much love and passion and just beauty that's just in all of these artists everywhere. It's such an honor to be here. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of this amazing event. This is my first time here at Cabaret, so thank you. So tonight I'm super excited because I'm going to sing a song for you that I have been singing since I was 10 years old. I wrote this song, it was the very first song I ever wrote, and I'm particularly excited because my family right over there doesn't have a clue until now. So how would you just give a real quick shout out? What's the name of this song that I've been singing for 21 years?
Chicken in the oven!
Yes, sir! Chicken in the oven, that's what it was.
Ding, 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 ding.
We made one a family, right? We're a family. I remembered all throughout these years. So, quick little story about this song. So, I have a beautiful, as we all do, we all have beautiful mothers, and she is a woman that cooks incredibly. She's an Austrian mother, and I was raised, my childhood was raised, I was doing lots of cooking with her, and really huge part of my childhood. And one night, she comes up to me, she's like, Tinka, that was my nickname growing up. She was like, Tinka, I need you to do dinner tonight because I'm busy, so here's the chicken, and just, you know what to do. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is really exciting. I mean, I ate tons of chicken with my mom before, but I'd never actually done it on my own. So I got to make it, and as the chicken was cooking in the oven, all the aromas were just amazing, and I just was so excited and inspired that this like spark of genius just came down upon me, and this song just came to me. So, do you guys want to hear it?
Yes!
Really? Okay, cool. So, I'm gonna sing it to the way I've been singing for 21 years, okay? So, how about we just all say, clap our, hands on our chicken thighs? Wait, that might be a little bit too fast. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. And I hope it will taste good. I never made a chicken before. This is my first time. I put onions and peppers and all kind of stuff, but I'm worried it might taste weird. Oh well, chicken in the oven, yes sirree. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. And I hope it will taste good. I said I hope it will taste good. So that was the general version of that song, which thank you family for your amazing support. They were singing that song with me constantly. I think I sang that song nonstop for like 3 years. And I vaguely remember my brothers like pinning me down saying, Tinka, if you don't stop singing that chicken song, then I don't even remember what happened next. But anyway, so the thing is, I wanted to put this song together, but I was thinking about it, and I was like, I'm in my 30s now. I've made lots and lots of chicken since I wrote that song. So I put together a, in my 30s, sultry, sassy version of this song. You guys interested in that one? All right, let's do it.
Oh my God.
This is like a dream come true. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. Chicken in the oven, yes sirree. And I know it's gonna taste so good. I've made so many chickens before. This ain't my first time. I put onions and garlic and pepper and lemon. So zone.